Okay, what's up, you guys? Happy Sunday. Great Sunday. So, as you know, if you're new to trading, you should know that Sundays are basically days for, back testing, seeing your strategies, seeing where you messed up, seeing where you actually made improvements. So, this video today is going to be on, trading psychology. And I know about my trading psychology over the last 2 weeks because I documented my trades, and I was able to see where were my strong points and where were my my negatives. To the week that allowed, this week was a bit of a bittersweet, but it ended up sweet because a friend of mine actually came to me and was like, okay, we're gonna tough up against these markets, because I was having a bit of fear because of certain trades that went against me, and I'm going to say why. Okay, so let's start off on the negatives, right? So I was trading and having a bomb couple of days, going crazy. So I actually started to get overconfident. I actually started to heighten up my lot size before I could see all of my confluences coming out fully. And then, because of the fact that I didn't accept the risk, I started marrying certain trades, saying that, because I'm already seeing what I'm seeing, I'm only seeing I like 3 out of my 5 normal confluences, or I think 2 out of my 5 confluences, and I took the trade. And then I was so adamant that, this is gonna go the way that I wanted to, when it didn't, and I didn't just step back after 2 to 3 loses off that same trade idea. I didn't step back from the market and say, okay, I'm gonna just chill, because of the fact that I was having such a bomb week. I'm like, okay, the momentum is still going. I'm still gonna go. I'm still gonna do what I have to do, but it didn't turn out that way, and that could have potentially risked my account, because of the fact that, okay, now the fact that I'm losing trades and I felt like I was going crazy, I want to make sure that, okay, that today's a winning day too. It's not a losing day. I'm going crazy. I'm taking more trades. My emotions started to get the best of me, because of the fact that, I was doing so well, and I'm seeing all these people post their profits. That's another demon in the trading world. Or seeing other persons post their profits, and I feel like that sense of a community you don't want to be a part of. But I will admit that being in a community can also act as a pro instead of a con, based off the type of environment that it is. You have to find like non-toxic communities where, okay, these people are posting trade ideas before they've happened, not after, and people that are gonna gloat and say, let me see your last 3 months, let me see how profitable you were, this, that, and the third. You don't want that kind of energy around you, because it's going to like boost your emotions and make you, just like I did, take more trades. Patience was a thing that plays into your emotions, because hey, when you're emotional, you start to become really impatient, and then you start to force moves that weren't even there. You've heard traders talk about it time in and time again, like forcing trades that aren't happening, because you see the next guy, he made 15,000, he made 50,000, 30,000, 100,000. There are people that are making a large sum of money, and there are people that are losing, right? And because of the fact that you could be in the larger amount of persons who are losing, you start to think, when am I going to be a winner? You start rushing the process, right? That's a demon. That's a demon when it comes onto the trading world and trading environment. But I know this because I told you I documented my trades. There's lots of information here about. Let me read one of my one of the losses. I went to bed at pre-London session. Already made an analysis, but did not trust the trade. Did not properly measure the risk, my risk ratio. I woke up at 4 a.m., saw the trade already went the right way, and I experienced FOMO and emotionally upped my lot size and end up losing out big. And that's something that normally happens to persons. I know that I'm not the only trader that has happened to, because this is a skill. Trading is, they say trading is 80% mental. Like knowing when to cut your losses short, when to let trades that have already happen, and you wait on the next setup that could potentially take a couple more hours. But no, you're so adamant that you want to be a part of this trade that you know what happens. The trade starts to make a retest, boom, and then because of the fact that you didn't wait, maybe the trade was still valid, but you just had to wait a couple more hours in order for your trade to fully come through, and that's another demon. Let me read another one. Um, I overtraded. I got emotional after 3 losses. Did not get out of the trade when proven wrong. And that goes back to what I was talking about before, marrying the trade. You've already set your stop loss, right? But then you have so much confidence in this trade that you heighten your lot, you extend your stop loss, and that was doing absolutely nothing for you. That, in fact, threw you into the lake of fire. You know, did not take high probability trades, FOMO, and impulsive entries. You know, um, yeah, as I said before, the trade already went the way, but it wasn't that an area of support or an area of resistance. It was a little caught in the middle, but because of the fact that I still want to profit from this trade, I get in the middle of the trade. What happens? I pull back, and I already hired my lot size because I'm want to make a bag. I want to catch all those potential pips that I could have caught before, but I want to make sure I catch them now because it still hasn't hit my desired TP. Boom, lost that money. But let's not stay too much on the negative. Let's stay on the good things that I did. Because I did have winning days also, back to back. Okay, GJ was already bullish. I saw I was creating a pennant. I made a lot of money based on pennants and triangles. Um, Creating a pennant on the 5 to 15 minute time frame. Went in low risk until the breakout matured, and I scaled in. I waited patiently. We talked about that in negative, and there's no surprise that me being impatient caused me to lose, and me being patient caused me to win. So again, the next trade, GJ waited for a pennant to form, went in low risk until I scaled in my lot size, and the trade was very quick. I ended up losing some of my profit because of the fact that I went in on NAS 100. I set my TP too far. The trade reversed, almost out of profit, then got emotional, re-entered, then lost money. But I stopped trading. I tried to not let my emotions get the best of me, and I continued the day with profit. Right? Let's go again. Okay. So, successful day. Patience was a factor to the success. Only a few impulsive entries that were very low risk. H4 time frame was respected. The 1 hour time frame momentum was recorded. The entry was placed based on a pattern confluence on the 5 to 15 minute chart. There was a channel break and a retest, and then I got in, I scaled in, and the day was overall profitable. So I don't feel like there has to be a lot that I need to say. I feel like everything was basically broken down. You gotta get in a community of traders. You join a Discord. My Forex Fund has a really nice Discord where people can send in their trading ideas. Top Tier has a nice one. You can join Telegram group chats. I know Lamboraul has one. Q Banks has one, and his team, Mad Charts, Charlene, um, Doyle. I know a lot of them, right? And these people give you access. Hell, you can join mine, right? For when I send out trade ideas, because most of them are profitable. If I say, hey, this trade might not be going the right way, I'm going to say in the Telegram group, because hey, I wouldn't want anyone losing out money. So even when before I send a trade, I mostly send my best trade ideas, because I know that it doesn't just affect me. So yeah. So guys, if you haven't joined my Telegram, the link will be in the description, and just, you know, keep going, keep consistent, keep back testing your strategies on Saturdays, Saturdays and Sundays. Personally, I do it on Sundays, because Saturdays I like to more chill with family, do regular stuff, watch my football matches, soccer matches. Yeah, PSG. Um, yeah, and that's pretty much what we got for you today. But thank you guys so much for checking in. I hope this video was able to benefit you, and help bring you to bring you to the next level.